In this video, we'll show you how to program your remote with your vehicle. This video was made specifically for the vehicles shown in the description. Even though your remote and vehicle may look different, the steps you follow are exactly the same. Remember, you must have at least one existing working remote to begin. Don't forget to read the video description for more important information, including step-by-step written instructions. Please verify your vehicle's make, model, and year are listed in the video description before attempting these programming instructions. To begin the pairing process, press the lock button 5 times at 2-second intervals to resynchronize the remote. Insert key into the ignition switch. Turn ignition to the run position as far as you can go without cranking the engine. Wait for ignition chimes to stop. Using the working remote, press and hold the unlock button on the remote for 4 to 10 seconds. Within the specified 4 to 10 seconds, continue pressing the unlock button and then press the panic button on the programmed remote for 1 second and release both buttons. A chime will sound to indicate that the remote programming mode has been entered. Allow 3 seconds for chime to sound. Within 30 seconds of the chime, press and release the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously, then press and release just the unlock button on the same remote. A chime will sound indicating the remote has been programmed. Press and release the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously, and then press the unlock button on each new remote you wish to program at this time. A chime will sound after each additional remote is programmed. Turn the ignition off and remove the key. Test remotes. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment below. Be sure to like and subscribe, then hit the bell icon to be notified of new videos. If you need replacement keys for your vehicle, be sure to check us out online.